How you guys doing? It's your Stand Bitch from T-shirt Side Hustle. Oh, hold on.
Siser got 4 new finals.
Say what?
Siser got 4 new finals.
Hey man, this just said hot off the press. Siser has 4 new vinyls coming. Hey guys, this is the craziest thing I said. I took a class about probably back in April or so, and the lady swore me up and down. She was a rep from Siser. She swore me up and down that they were never going to make sticker vinyl. All right, this sticker vinyl, or sign vinyl you can call it, is for you guys. It's for us small guys, the crafters. They have freaking glitter sticker vinyl. I don't know about you, but that's going to be some nice little stickers blinged out on laptop cases and everything else. All right. Then they have special effects. Special effects. What you think? I think they got the craziest idea. They made a chalkboard sticker vinyl. All right. It might be out there, but Siser didn't have it. All right. So I'm going to stick that right here, or maybe in the corner somewhere, because you know Jada's going to come in. I can have her just go in the corner and draw some circles or something, or some hearts or some people, or whatever the case is. All right, then they have 2 other ones. They have a permanent and they have a removable. All right, when I think about the permanent, obviously that's the normal stuff that we see every day that the sign vinyl companies use. But when I think about the removable, I think about like fatheads. I might put a big gourmet sign or T-shirt Side Hustle logo here today. Oh! I'm gonna keep it real. I just make mistakes sometimes. I just spill some tea, 305 rhino remover all over the floor. But you know me, I like to keep my videos real. So lastly, I might take it over here, have it in the backdrop on another wall another day. All right, guys. So you haven't heard this yet. This is brand new from me. I'm the first, like a news reporter now. I am the first person to bring this news to you. Now I feel like I'm really doing something. I'm special. All right. So Siser has 4 new vinyls coming. The drop date is January 23rd, I believe it is. Check it out, so stay tuned. All right, guys, been Stand Bitch from T-shirt Side Hustle. As Peanut would say, peace.